Okay, so today's topic is fraction. So this is the area where students face a lot of difficulty. So let me actually explain fraction in a very easy way. So first let us understand what is fraction. So definition is fraction is a mathematical expression of a part from whole. So suppose this is a circle having four parts, one, two, three, four. So this circle have how many total parts? Is four. So I take one part from the fourth parts. So one part I have shaded. So it will be 1 by 4. What does this 1 means? 1 is part. And what does this whole 4 means? 4 means whole. So part by whole. 1 by 4 is part by whole. So second example is 2 by 6. So 2 is part, 6 is whole. This diagram have got 6 parts, and out of that 2 part is shaded. So 2 is the shaded part. This 2 is called numerator and 6 is called denominator. So these are the 2 parts of a fraction. Upper portion is the numerator, lower portion is the denominator. Second very important thing is fraction is of 2 types, proper and improper. What is proper fraction? As per the definition, when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So numerator क्या होता है? छोटा होता है denominator से. 2 by 3. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. 2 is numerator, 3 is denominator. Second, 5 by 11. Numerator smaller, 5, denominator 11, it is greater. So all those fraction when numerator is greater than the denominator, it is called proper fraction. So next type of fraction is improper fraction. When the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Example, 13 by 7. 13 is the numerator, 7 is the denominator. So numerator n is greater than d. D is denominator. Example 2. 21 by 2. 21 is numerator, 2 is denominator. Again, numerator is greater than denominator. So this type of fraction, when numerator is greater than denominator, it is called improper fraction. So improper fraction have to be changed to mixed number, without which we cannot do much. So when you get an improper fraction, you have to divide with the denominator. So 21 by 2 is 21 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2. There is no remainder and we bring 1 here. But 1 is smaller than 2. So we put 0 and the quotient. And there is a remainder 1. Now this division can be written in this form: 10, which is the quotient, 1 is the remainder, 2 is the denominator, denominator. So this type of fraction where a whole number and a fraction is present, it is called mixed number. So 10 is the whole number, 1 is the remainder, 2 is the denominator. So a combination of whole number and a fraction is called a mixed number. Let us understand with the help of another example. Second example is 232 by 5. 232 is the numerator, is bigger than the denominator, denominator is 5. So we simply, for improper fraction to mixed number, simply divide 232 divided by 5. 5 for the 20 minus 3 is the remainder, 2 comes and becomes 32. 5 is 30 and 32 minus 32, 2 is the remainder. So we can write as 46. See, 46 is the quotient, 2 is the remainder and 5 is the denominator. 46 is the whole number, 2 by 5 is the fraction, it is the mixed number. Second example, 516 divided by 7. That is an improper fraction where numerator is bigger than the denominator. When we divide, quotient comes 73, remainder 5 and denominator 7. So 73 is a whole number, 5 by 7 is a fraction. Now to change mixed number to improper fraction, suppose the number is 2, 5 by 6. 2 is a whole number, 5 by 6 is a fraction. So to change 2 5 by 6 mixed number into improper fraction, we multiply denominator into whole number plus 5 divided by denominator. See, denominator into whole number 6 into 12 plus numerator divided by denominator, that is 6. 12 plus 5, that is 17 divided by 6. So you can write the formula denominator into whole number within bracket plus numerator divided by denominator. So what is this? This is the improper fraction from the mixed number. So let us now do some problems addition using proper fraction. Okay, addition of proper fraction. The addition of proper fraction is of two types, like and unlike. What is like? Have the same denominator, and unlike is having different denominators. Example: 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1 by 5. So have the similar denominator. 2 by 3, 1 by 2, having different denominators. This is called unlike, this is called like. So in like it is very easy. Common denominator 5. Numerator we simply add 2 plus 3 plus 1, that is 6 by 5. 3 and 2 is the denominator. Now we cannot do much about this fraction. We have to make it like fractions. How to make it like fraction? We multiply 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So if the denominator of this 3 and 2 I have put as 6, so 3 denominator, the older denominator, and this is the new denominator. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So 2 numerator have to be also multiplied by 2. So 2 2s are 4. And 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So again, this older numerator have to be multiplied by 3. That is 4 plus 3, that is 7. 7 by 6 is 1, 1 by 6. Let us understand with some more examples. So example number 1 is 2 plus 3 by 5. What is 2? It's a whole number. But every whole number is a fraction. So 2 denominator, it's not written, it is always 1. If there is no denominator, means it's always 1. 2 by 1 plus 3 by 5. Now the denominators are different. 1 and 5. So what I have taught you? The multiplication of denominator. The new denominator is 5 into 1. That is 5. So 1 goes to 5. 5 times 1 into 5. So we have to also multiply the numerator with 5. 2 5s are 10. 5 to new denominator 5. 5 goes to 5, multiplying 5 with 1. So we have to multiply numerator 3 into 1. So new fraction will be 10 by 5 plus 3 by 5. There is 13 by 5. There is an improper fraction. 5 2s are 10. 2 is a whole number and 3 is the remainder. Divided by 5 is the denominator. 2, 3 by 5 is the mixed number. So example 2 is 2 by 10 plus 3 by 15. So there are two methods. Method number 1 says what I have taught you, that we have to simply multiply the denominator. 10 into 15. And as 10 is multiplied by 15, so we have to multiply the numerator 2 by 15, 2 into 15, and 15 multiplied by 10 is the new denominator, so we have to multiply 3 into 10. So 2 15s are 30. So 2 into 15 plus 3 into 10, 30 plus 30, that is 60 by 150. Now this number can be reduced to its lowest form. If you are unable to understand the divisibility, how to reduce the following into simplest form, please watch my video on divisibility. I have explained it in details. Now first is the zeros. Numerator have a 0, denominator have a 0. So 0 0 cut. Now next, 6 and 15. Both the number will be divided by 3. So 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 can not be further reduced. So 2 by 5 is the answer. So let us understand the same problem with method number 2. So method number 2, we actually factorize 10 and 15. 10 factorization 2 into 2 and 5. 15 factors 3 and 5. So we find the LCM 2 into 3 into 5. So LCM is 150. So 10 goes into 150 3 times. So we multiply 2 into 3. 10 into 3 is a 150. I'm so sorry. There's a small mistake. LCM is 2 into 3 into 5, that is 30. 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. So the new denominator is 30. So 10, old denominator multiplied how many times to get 30? 3 times. So we multiply the numerator with 3. 2 into 3, and 15 old denominator, this is the new denominator. 15 into 2 is a 30. So we multiply the old numerator with 2. So 3 into 2 plus 3 to 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2. 6 plus 6, that is 12 by 30. So 12 by 30 we can reduce both the numerator and denominator by the number 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 10s are 30. Now can we further reduce? Yes, 4 and 10 we can reduce by dividing by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So answer is 2 by 5. So whichever method you feel it is easy, you can do it. So next sum is, if we have got two mixed numbers, 2 3 by 5 plus 6 1 by 10. So we first change mixed number into improper fraction. 5 to the 10 plus 3, 13 by 5, and 10 into 6 plus 1, 61 by 10. Next, as you can see, 5 and 10. So 10 can be the LCM, but 5 into 2s are 10 and 10 into 1s are 10. So both the numbers, both the denominators have a common number 10. So 10 can be the new LCM. 5 to multiplied by 2 gives a new denominator, 5 2. So I multiplied 5 into 2. So I have to multiply the numerator, older numerator, with 2. 13 to the 26. And 10 into 1s are 10. So 61 into 61. So the new fraction is 26 by 10 plus 61 by 10. 26 plus 61 is 87 by 10. That can be written as 8, 10, 8 is 80. Remainder is 7 by 10. 8, 7 by 10, or 8.70. We can also put the decimal 8.70. How have we put point? Always remember, decimal point is at the extreme right of a number. So niche denominator is 10. So we have just shifted this decimal point one place towards the left. So 8.7 and पीछे आकर 0 लगा देता हो तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So 8.70. So either 8, 7 by 10 or 8.70. So subtraction. I have made a subtraction with proper number with similar like denominator. 2 3 by 6 minus 10 3 by 6. So 6 to the 12 plus 3 15 by 6 minus 63 by 6. Improper minus improper. Common denominator, so there is nothing to make a common LCM. 6 is the common denominator. 15 minus 63. Now I have taught about integer. If you have not known, if you are not fluent with integer, please follow my video on integers. I have explained it in detail. Here minus 60, minus goes in, is placed on in the value of the bigger number, and it's plus and minus. So don't please multiply. It's minus 60 and plus 15. So you have to subtract 60 minus 15, that is 48. But you have to put the symbol minus 48, because bigger value integer symbol will come here, minus 48. Denominator is 6. 6 8s are 48. So answer is minus 8. Next topic is multiplication. 2 by 4 into 48 by 12. So very simple. We can reduce the numerator and denominator to its lowest term. By reducing, it can be reduced in this order or in cross order, right? In this order and cross order. So I have crossed it. 2 and 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2 and 2 6 are 12. Even 4 1s are 4 and 4 12s are 48. Is it over? No, it is still not over. Horizontal. Sorry, vertical. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So answer is 2. So next topic is division. 12 by 2 divided by 13 by 14, 30 by 14. So how to solve it? We have to do a multiplication, but the fraction on the right side will be reverse or reciprocal. So 14 is the denominator, becomes the numerator, and 30 is the numerator, becomes the denominator. Inverse, right? Reciprocal. So 12 by 2 into 14 by 30. 12 and 2, vertically it can be reduced. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. And see 6 and 30. 6 1 are 6, 6 5 are 30. So 6 1 are 6, 6 5 are 30. Numerator now is 14, denominator is 5. Can it be further reduced? No. Answer is no. It can further not be reduced by the simple number 2, 3, 5. So answer is 14 by 30. Is it the answer? Yes, it is the answer, but it is improper fraction. We have to always convert improper into mixed number. 5 goes into 14 how many times? 2 times. So 2 is the quotient, remainder is 4, denominator is 5. 2 4 by 5. This is the answer. So I hope you people, all my students, are liking my video, and it's a new channel. Thank you very much for the support. Do subscribe for these type of informations I try to make. This will actually ease your progress in your mathematical progress, or we will start off with science also, education, which will have actually help you to make your base stronger. This is my WhatsApp number 6297869657. Please, for any queries, for any suggestion, for any requirement, do WhatsApp me or put it in your comments in the YouTube comment, and I will be overwhelmed. I will be pleased to assist you. Let's make this channel a successful one. Do subscribe and help me. Thank you.